What's going on, you guys? My name is Eric. Welcome back to another video. Right now I'm in the Z. Gotta go put some gas because I'm always on empty. That 85. Oh, and there's no one in the pumps. This station is like right by my house, and there's only 2 85 pumps, and they're always taking 85. Just put some 85. $21. God damn. Yeah. Guys, my car is low-key messed up, so no matter if I fill the tank or not, it's always gonna read that. Always. And then watch, I'm not even gonna drive today, and then tomorrow it's gonna be right back down to empty. So I think my floater on my gas tank for the fuel pump, I think that's going out already. Alright guys, if you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe. Turn on that post notification for you can get alerted every time I upload new videos. And today we're gonna be going with Andres. You guys know him with the 370Z, stock 370Z that I always race all the time. We're gonna be going with him because he's gonna be going to the shop. He's gonna be going to the muffler shop. He's gonna get his mufflers and resonators deleted, and we're gonna go film it. We were supposed to go, actually guys, I was supposed to take his car yesterday. We were supposed to trade cars. We were supposed to trade cars yesterday, and I was supposed to take it for him and just like ride around in his car for the day and make content for you guys. But you know, I have to work, and it just couldn't happen. Oh, damn, I got scared. There's like these little balloons right here. These little blue balloons. I literally thought that was a cop right there with its lights on. Bro, I'm so paranoid. I just turned on my Crackle map, and I'm annoyed Andres's neighbors. Wow, look at who's here. What's up, fool? Let's go. That's stock 370. Funny thing is, Andres was supposed to sell that car, but I guess he never did. He legit, like, dude, he was already he already had like bolt-ons. He had intake, he had test pipes, muffler delete, resonator delete, and he wasn't tuned, but he had the Crackle map from my tuner, and it was honestly a cool ass car. It was fun as hell. We made it to the muffler shop. This is the second muffler shop we went to. The first one, they didn't have availability. This one, I think there's no wait time, or maybe like 20 minutes. Ooh, BMW boys over there. Where do I park? Bro, I don't even know where to park. Hold on. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I'm freaking hungry. It's like 2 o'clock and I haven't ate. Is there anything to eat, like walking distance? Bro, I'm freaking hungry. I have not ate at all. Ooh, sick ass Mustang in there. finally gonna be getting some noise. How do you feel? Alright, so Andres is about to go in right now as soon as that Mustang is done. This was telling me if he should go single or dual exit. Right now he's dual exit stock. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Single exit? Dual exit? Yeah, I think you should go dual exit. Because you already have the cutouts and like your diffuser. It'll go with it. Yeah. Alright, guys. So like an hour later, I think they're about wrapping it up on that Mustang. Dude, that shit sounds sick. It's a GT. I think he got, I know it's muffler delete, but I think he got his caps removed. GTR. I don't want to show it. Alright guys, so right here to my left, there's a G35, but it looks like a GTR. It has that GTR front bumper. But I don't want to make it too obvious and show it. Why? What do you mean? No, I'm not saying. Alright, so under this was car, but look at this was tires. No wonder I'm beating him. So spinny. Alright, dude, let's go. Let's go eat. Let's go eat, daddy. Whoa, what? So we just left Andres' car. Gonna be done like in an hour. Huh? No, fuck no. Get me pulled over. What? You'll get me pulled over. Oh, what the fuck is it? What are your white piece? Ow! That's bullshit. Did I hit you? Yes. I'm sorry, bro. My bad. Alright guys, so Andres is back there on my way to the shop right now, to my shop to go set up my churros. But dude, Andres' car is freaking sick. Guys, I'm low-key in trouble. I'm supposed to be at my shop, at my girl's shop at 6 o'clock to start setting up our business. And it's already 6 o'clock and I'm barely leaving. Sounds pretty sick. Ooh, a little, what is that, SRT? Little Charger, SRT. No, ooh. Jason Z's right here. By the way, guys, if you guys are watching this video, it was his birthday on Halloween. So wish him a happy birthday. By the time this comes out, it's gonna be his birthday already. And Mr. Man himself right here. For real, dude. I went with him earlier to go get his muffler and resonator delete. Sup, fool? Again.
Hey, baby.
Already know. Andres, Jason, about to do some pulls. About to see how this About to see how this 370 handles. Alright guys, so following Jason and Andres in the back. Jason's gonna be driving the 370Z, getting some content for you guys, but I think we're gonna be racing. I think we're gonna go catch a couple of runs, of course, always with my freaking car. Why can't it never be Jason's car? Why does it always have to be my car? Park the car right there. Jason wants to do some flybys. Oh yeah. Do it. Ah. Hey, you know your license plate light is off? Fool, look. That's a ticket, fool. Fuck.